Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so zucchini falafels. Now this was a recipe that was a long time in the making, but we are here now and I'm really happy with that. So I've just got a zucchini that was about 300 grams, so what's that? 10 ounces. So it's just kind of a medium zucchini that I've grated using my food processor, but you could use a box grater as well. And then I've got 150 grams, so 5 ounces of, this is sunflower seeds and pepitas, but you could use either or. I like to use half and half, so a mixture of both that I've just pulsed in the food processor for about 30 seconds, just so it gets kind of, they're broken up, but they're a little bit powdery, but you still have some texture to them. If you didn't have a food processor and you wanted to make this, you could use almond meal instead of the seeds, so you didn't have to pulse them, and you could grate the zucchini with a box grater, but that's another option. And then we're getting in an egg, it's going to add some protein and to bind it, and then we want half a teaspoon of fine salt, so kosher salt's fine. I'm using Himalayan salt, and so it's got that beautiful pink color, not that you can see it in the zucchini, and then a teaspoon of ground cumin. Such a good spice. And then we just want to mix that together so you get like a rough. Okay, so I've just got an oven tray that I've lined with baking paper just to make it easier to clean up. And I'm going to just give it a good, and you want to be really generous with the oil here, so that, because remember, like falafels, they're normally deep fried, but we're going to cook ours in the oven. Actually, speaking of oven, just make sure you've got your oven preheated so you want it pretty hot, 250C, which is 480F. And that's it's not the same as deep frying, but it's just so much easier. So then we're just going to scoop in the falafel mixture into balls. Awesome. So I usually get about 12, but it's up to you how big or small you make them. Then I give it another kind of dousing with oil. And most of the oil is going to end up on the baking tray, but you just want to, that just helps them crisp up and gives it more of a falafel vibe. So we're just going to pop them in the oven. Beautiful. So zucchini falafels I actually gave them 12 minutes in the oven. So they're all sizzling and golden and looking beautiful. So they are done. And then I just, take them off the tray and leave the oil in the pan, and then serve them with hummus. And I'm just going to serve with some flat leaf parsley leaves, but you could use tabbouleh or any other salad that you want. And that's our beautiful zucchini falafels, look good to go. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.